Every home has a story. Some stories transcend time. I'm Debbie McLain with Team McLain at Real Broker, and I'm standing in front of one of the most extraordinary homes we've had the opportunity to represent. Welcome to 14 Cedarville Road in beautiful Blairstown, New Jersey. Originally built in 1840, this home was completely renovated inside and out in 2007. 3,190 square feet of 19th century craftsmanship combined with modern comfort. This home holds a remarkable connection to American history. Owned by the Kurzman family, Paul Kurzman was the great-grandson of Isidore and Ida Strauss, the devoted couple on the Titanic who created the most wonderful love story of all time. This stunning kitchen is the heart of this home. Silestone counters, stainless steel appliances, professional KitchenAid stove, wall ovens, drawer microwave. This is the most perfect place to host all of your family gatherings. Each of the 3 bedrooms is an ensuite offering privacy and comfort. And this primary suite is truly something special with a view of the lake. This charming guest house features a bedroom, full bath, and a kitchenette, perfect for visiting guests or family. In addition to the remarkable home and the cottage house on 14 acres, there's a separate lot of almost a half an acre with this gorgeous 2-car garage with an artist's loft above. This home has been part of the same family for over 50 years. It is filled with love, laughter, and legacy. And now it's time for its next chapter. If you would love to experience the history and heart of 14 Cedarville Road in Blairstown, New Jersey, then reach out to us at Team McLain. We'd be honored to show you this remarkable home.